تعليم الله وعن.
That's why generally man try not to obey or look to the teaching of God with full obedience, and even though he knows that what he was granted from health, children, money, all of them came from God.
Because your question is raised on false ground. Man does not believe that everything which is bestowed upon him comes from God. He always turns to his own special cunning and cleverness for everything he gains, or he always attributes to some friends or relatives who have done him a favor. He never thinks beyond them. So that is why whenever Allah bestows His favors, and He has bestowed all His favors upon mankind, He considers it to be a matter-of-fact thing which happens automatically, or it happens because of His own cleverness, or as a benefit from friends and benefactors like some government people, etc. It never attributes it to Allah. So when he does not attribute to Allah, why should he be grateful to Him? Why should he listen to His call? While in fact what he notices is that if he listens to Allah's call, he'll be deprived of all his money, because largely this money is earned by rejecting Allah's call, by adopting false means of acquiring money. So it is against his personal interest to be grateful to Allah and to listen to His call, because he knows as long as he listens to the call of Allah, his means of livelihood will be limited. If he rejects those calls, then he can earn his money any way he likes. Steal, do this, steal, do that. So these are the reasons why I believe that your question is not based on sound ground. From now on, the job of asking questions will move from Turkey to Palestine, from Palestine to Turkey. So it is going to be between two women players of shuttlecock. I know, it's finished. All men are finished. Please, can we